First things first, let's make a copy. So you just click and drag on the plus icon to create a layer, another layer or a layer copy. So now I'll click on the icon, then I'll go and pick black and white, then I'll play with the settings. So you make sure the black and white filter is clip masked to the layer, and I'll go to select and select subject. So I'll just click on the layer mask and remove the background. So right here I'll just double click on the layer mask and go and play with refine the edges of the image. So, and that's how it looks. So I want to add a background. So I'm going to add just like dark gray. So make it kind of gradient, darker gray, above black gray. So I'll try to balance them to create just a background. And I'll go to filter and add a noise, so a little bit of noise. And you have to make sure noise you can select around 5 or 10. So I'll make like 3 copies of the image, and I'm going to go to blend. So you just make sure you are going to uncheck only one by one. So you uncheck the red, then you leave the rest on, and you uncheck like so. You just repeat unchecking, and you leave one checked, and you uncheck the rest. So you want like red, blue and green. So now I will use my arrow keys to adjust a little bit of their position to create such an effect. So I will group them and rename the group as RGB, red, blue, green. And next thing, I'll import my texture. So I want to apply like a texture on the background. So I'll just import it and go to blending modes. I'll select overlay. So then I'll play with the opacity to make it like to fade it on the background on our gradient, which is as the background. So I'll just play with the opacity. So I'll select both of those layers, but let me first rename this like maybe fill or what. So I'll group them. I'll use my shift and group them, then click on the group icon. So I can rename this BG as background. And the next thing I'm just going to get a shape and I'll apply a rectangle. So I don't need a round rectangle, and I'll just take these round corners off and apply just a little bit. So I'll just hold alternate and drag to create just a copy of that shape, and the rest I'll just insert my words. So the font below I used, that is Digla. If you know that font, it is available, you can get it. Just go to Google and get it. It is called Digla. So the word focus, I want to change it to the font called Blacks. You can also get that font. It is also available for free, Blacks. And I think that is it. So that is how we can design a minimalist poster. And please don't forget to click on the like button, and even if you want to see more of these videos in the future, you can subscribe on my channel. So, and guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. Peace.